Hello and a very good day to everyone.
Namaste.
You are watching to the STEM News.
I am Daksha from Grade 8S.
And I am Simra from Grade 8S.
We are excited to share the top highlights and happenings from STEM school during the 4th week of September 2025.
STEM school celebrated Dussehra, emphasizing its tradition and values. STEM teachers' tour to Goa is scheduled to begin from 26th September.
We shall now take a closer look at each of the key events.
STEM school celebrated Dussehra, showcasing rich traditions and values with enthusiastic performances by students and parents, while Reverend Father Bharat extended his warm greeting, inspiring joy and festive spirit throughout the school. Let us get to know more from our reporter.
All the preparations for Dussehra are set. Now let us get to know more from the people gathered here for the celebration. Hey, so now I'm going to ask you a few questions. What do you know about Dussehra? It is a festival of victory over evil. Are you excited for the celebration? Yes, I'm very excited. Are you eagerly waiting for the holidays? I am just looking forward to have some fun. I am going to recharge myself with some personal time. I just wanted to watch movies and visit as many places as possible. What are you planning to study in the holidays? I wanted to play for holidays. Maybe I would study for 1 hour. What do you all want to wish all the teachers and students? Happy holidays and happy Dussehra. This is the fun and cheer of the celebration. And that's all for now.
STEM school teachers are set for an exciting picnic to Goa starting 26th September, promising relaxation, team bonding and memorable experiences. We wish them a safe, joyful journey.
Today's story ends here, but a new chapter of STEM school awaits you soon.
Stay joyful, stay inspired and continue your journey with STEM for the latest happenings.